In this video, I am going to show you how to use OBS screen recorder. For this purpose, if you wanted to show your display or audio, just click on this plus icon in the source panel, and here you can click on display capture. So your screen recording will be started. Click OK, and again OK, and here again click on this plus icon, and here you can see audio input capture, so you can also record your voice. So also click on it and just OK, click on OK, and now your video and audio will both start to be recording. I am currently recording from this OBS software. For advanced setting, click on this setting in the control panel and open it. Here you can set your streaming, you can use this option. Here it is audio function. I am currently recording, so I cannot use these functions. Here you can add your audio and your microphones, and here you can select the resolution of your video. I am using currently 1920 1080 and 60 fps. You can use 30 fps or 60 fps both. And here you can add your keywords so that you can quickly access to the shortcuts. I have used them such as space for audio recording, screen recording, control. Kindly subscribe to my channel for such great content. Thank you for watching.